Hello everyone, my name is Victor Olwain. This is my submission for my class assignment. So the assignment is developing a chat application, and shall just go and start the application. So node app. So when the application starts, the database is not set up, so it sets up the database and then it's running on localhost port 3000. So we shall just go through a few of the requirements expected of us. So the system should allow a user to enter the chat room with his or her name, see other users' chat messages, post a chat message, and leave the chat room. Additionally, the application should satisfy these rules. When a user posts a message, the text is displayed together with the user's name and current timestamp. When there is a new post, the screen of all of the users in the chat room are instantly and dynamically updated, and also all the chat messages should be stored on the server in a database and reloaded when a user exits and re-enters the chat room. So we shall go to the address localhost 3000. So this is the interface that the login that a user gets. So I'll just put in my name and then my email address. Victor. So when I log in, of course, I'm welcome to the chat room. Then if we have another user, of course, he has to go to, let's say, John Max. jmax at gmail. No, Outlook. So when Max joins, if you go back to Victor, we can see that John Max is now online. So when I type a message, hello, Max, John M. When John M, okay, on John M's chat, you'll see that Victor has posted at this time, so he can reply. Dude, I'm cool. How is Pittsburgh? So when you go back to Victor's chat, I can see John Max has posted. Then it is called. Yeah. So if another person, this time a lady, localhost, let's say Brenda, April at hotmail.com. So when April logs in, we are notified that April is now online, and even on John Maxwell's chat, we can also be notified that April is online. So when we start typing, this is Victor. Of course, Max will see my chat. And of course, Brenda will see all of our chats. Voice. How are your single lives taking you? So I can now see Brenda's chat. Okay, so that's me, and Max will, of course, and Brenda, of course, can see all this. So if Brenda signs out of the chat, then we are automatically notified that Brenda went offline, and then Brenda went offline. However, if Brenda signs in again, Brenda April, what was the email address? I forgot it. Maybe it was april@hotmail.com. When she joins, she's able to see all the chat messages previously. And of course, the boys will be notified that April is back online. So that is a glimpse of the chat application, and of course, she's told welcome to. I'll just look at the technologies that I used. On the client side, I used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Of course, the Bootstrap. Then on the server side, I used Node.js, Express, Socket.io, and I was using SQLite for my persistent database. And if I just go into my package.json here, I'll just highlight other middleware and libraries that I used. Body parser for passing the body of my request messages and responses. Embedded.js for my template engine. The others I was experimenting with them, like cores and WebSockets. So that's basically it, and that's my submission, and that's how my application works. So thank you. So Brenda is offline. Brenda is offline. So Max went offline, Brenda went offline, and of course I also go offline. So thank you.